We're to fight the Barnet Beast!
So much for it's all about what's inside.
Nova, please don't do this just to avoid tidying your room. Being a president is a really real and important thing. It actually means caring about other people, not just yourself.
Did you really not notice I was missing for 2 days?
In fairness, I spent most of those 2 days telling Digit my Jefferson Parkin stories. Fascinating, weren't you, Dig?
Now, for the vital question. What does a president wear?
What about policies, Nova? What platform will you run on?
I was thinking 7-inch with a silver heel.
Not platform shoes. I mean, the platform where you stand for something.
Right. I stand for shoes.
Nova, please. Being president is actually about caring for people. You're a great pop star, but you're also the kind of person who loses Sid in her own mess.
Sid! I need Sid. Sid, I want you to be my spin doctor.
Really? Oh, because I've always wanted to spin records. I've been practicing, and it's not that kind of spin.
Isn't it? I think the biggest issue facing us today is how hungry I am. As president, I'd make sure I get pancakes, like, immediately. Click like on Nova. Click like on Nova.
Votes, Nova, not likes.
Sweeties for everyone under President Nova. One for you. One for you. No, I like the background ones. Have something else. Not that one.
Not that kind of spit either, Sid.
Isn't it?
Come on, Nova. If we're going to the festival, you need to get some wellies on.
Out there? With the mud? No way.
We've come all this way and we're not going out.
I love festivals! Just don't have anything you can think of. Only inflatable.
Eco-friendly plant plastics.
Ah, come on now, Digit.
It's mad because I wanted to visit the second-hand yo-yo stall.
We went to Teas of the Universe. Twice. You can't be huffy with the world's best captain.
No! Mud!
Whoa! Hey! Whoa! Help! I'm doing awesome!
Ah, Joniki. And where are the monarchy today?
They went out to buy loo roll.
That looks familiar.
Oh yeah, it's one of your old hair clips. I bought it at the Nova Jones memorabilia charity auction. So what do you think? Sis?
I think I don't want a brother. I don't need a brother, so stop being it right now.
The sibling vacancy has been filled.
Full, way full.
To the brim. Maximum capacity.
Sorry. The test says I'm your cool new bro, whether you like it or not.
Fine. I or not like it.
So do you really not want a big brother?
Of's not.
I've always wanted one. A big brother's like a best friend and a role model in one. A bro-faddle!
Well, I don't want a bro-faddle.
But a brother would mean someone else to share stuff with, like comic books, ice cream, adventures.
I do like adventures. And I don't like when McLaren stops me because I might break all my legs.
Someone to go to spas and wear rejuvenating mud packs with.
McLaren never does that. She's always, ooh, strength-giving mud packs. What nonsense. But look.
Yuck! Of course, one new brother means one more birthday present.
Sorry, Joniki, but what Nova says goes. And she says you have to go.
Wait, leaving so fast? We've got so much to catch up on, bro.
But no! The Joniki extraction process has already started. So,
Hey, we should totally catch up. I know all the best festival spots.
she can't. Because. What?
Better idea. We bring the festival indoors and no M-word. Love your hairband.
It was yours. Got it at the auction. You should see the rest of my collection. It's so awesome.
Ugh. You. I mean, hey. Yes, yes, that's it. Didn't know you were musical. Come on in. What is ugly anyway? Who do you think you are to say? Yeah, you don't get to decide. It's all about what's inside. I see a sparkle in your eyes they couldn't match. A personality they only wish they could have. Yeah, you know you're a true work of art. Don't let the hurt get inside your heart. Cause the ugliest people say the ugliest things. What is ugly anyway? Who do you think you are to say? Yeah, you don't get to decide.
You don't get to decide.
It's all about what's inside. Does anybody even care what you look like, what you wear? Does anybody even know the beauty that lies deep down in your style? What is ugly anyway? Who do you think you are to say? Yeah, you don't get to decide.
You don't get to decide.
It's all about what's inside.
It's all about what's inside.
And that's why I'm happy to announce that joining me on the stage tonight will be the Stinky Beastie thingy.
Not if I can get you out of it. All I need is to find a way to pull out the concert and keep everything. I'll find it in the small print.
You be careful now, McLaren. You can get a bit too focused. Remember the big picture.
The big picture shows the barn room demolished. Keep up.
1 second. Just wait there.
I'm really not sure, Sid.
Oh, come on, Captain. A bold new direction. We're in comedy.
It's pretty shocking stuff. Okay.
So, I was picking my nose the other day and...
Do you really think I should admit to that? Everybody does it, Captain. People will love you crossing those lanes.
Okay. I picked out a big, a green, a horrible...
Go on.
I can't. It's too rude. It's just not me. I was raised to believe if you can't say anything nice, only say it to great Uncle Seamus.
Ta-da!
You prettified the Barnet Beast.
So much for it's all about what's inside.
And Nova Jones wins her first match by a galactic mile. Nova, Nova. Did you see Johnny Q's face? No one's talking about him now. They're talking about me. He must be so testy.
Nova, Scuffle Clang was Sid's thing.
But now it's my thing. Here you go.
How did you even win? You've never played a game of Scuffle Clang in your life.
I'm Nova Jones. I can do anything. Also, this wildly expensive scuffle suit may have helped.
You got a special jumpsuit.
This isn't just any jumpsuit. It's artificially intelligent. It pretty much plays on its own. Plus...
Nova! Wait out, love.
Meet Coach Winifred. Winnie's the best. She can turn a potato into a scuffleista. And I'm not a potato. I'm Nova Jones.
Now, Nova dear, you won your first match, which is great, but you didn't win by nearly enough. Get off and get me 20.
Yes, Coach.
But with the coach, the equipment, you're just buying victory.
Yeah.
It's a winning strategy, and I love winning. Like I love cats, with an irrational fire.
But this isn't fair. Not every player can have all this special stuff. Some just have to use...
Hey, Nova. I just wanted to say, brilliant job on winning.
I don't think you should be doing this, Sid.
Nova's a rival.
Team Nova, did you?
Definitely shouldn't be doing that.
But
my friend. I just wanted to let her know she played well.
Aww. Thanks, Sid. I did play well, didn't I? Way better than you.
Nova!
I smashed my game, and Sid pretty much lost his. He's definitely gonna lose his next game. Why'd you even play on?
Sid won because he tried hard and he loves Scuffle Clang. He's not doing it for the likes or to get back at Johnny.
Also, no idea. Winners need losers to lose. The winners can win.
Oh, right. Carry on, Sid. Lose away.
Sid's not going to lose. He'll win his next match. And the next one. And the one after that.
Is he?
Yeah. No sure I is.
Yes, you is. Oh, because I'm going to coach you.
You can't do that.
You're my manager.
Plus, I said that I'm gonna coach Sid.
We'll coach them together. Come on.
Somebody stop that, not Nova. It's Yvonne.
You locked us in the suite. You can't perform as Nova. You sound nothing like her.
But I wanna. I wanna. That sounded like me. Please let me go on. I love being you. You don't know what it's like to be scared of losing all this. I don't know what it's like to be scared. Let me tell you.
I'll tell you what's scary. Having your entire management career ruined in front of royalty.
No, what's scary is...
McLaren! I was so scared that you were going to sack me that I tried to do your filing, but I ended up creating more of a mess than I did with Never-Ending Dawn. I wrote a resignation letter, but I ended up misfiling it, and now I'm positive you're going to sack me, and it's the scariest thing that anyone could possibly ever feel.
Everyone, stop being scared right now.
The G-Bags!
McLaren, how many disastrous concerts have we had?
327.
And I'm still the biggest and best. Nothing to be scared of there. Sid, McLaren would never fire you.
Really? Every ship needs a Sid. Just lay off the filing and we'll be fine.
And Yvonne. See? You're not me. You're you. You don't have to be scared of not being Nova Jones. Whatever you do in the mirror, you'll do as Yvonne. But not singing. Sing all you like. People don't have to listen to you sing. And I bet there's loads of things you're good at that I'm rubbish at.
Acting!
Okay. Yes. Like acting. You can't go out in this storm. It's too dangerous. You can't go out in the storm. It's too dangerous. None of what you lot are scared of is scary. What's scary is people thinking I can't sing bestest. That's even scarier than jelly. One fear beats another. So I'm facing my fear. To show those jelly blobs how good I am. Costume, please.
I'm done losing my mind, feeling scared all the time. Yeah, I really don't know why, but now I'm done. 'Cause I got what it takes, yeah, I learned from my mistakes. This habit's hard to break, I'm changing them. Oh, how will I know if I never try? Gotta get out of bed, gotta wake up fighting. I'm so done, always trying to hide. Gotta pick myself up, have the heart of a lion. You can call me supernova, shine so bright, yeah, you know I'm like a supernova. Light up the night like a lightning strike, yeah. Watch me face my fear, my worries disappear. Call me supernova, supernova. Now that I look back, I don't know why I let it get me so down. Now that I look back, I can see just how far I've
Your royal jellylesses, please welcome to the stage, Yvonne!
You can call me supernova, shine so bright, you know I'm like a supernova. Light up the night like a lightning strike, yeah. Watch me face my fear, my worries disappear. Call me supernova, supernova, supernova. Shine so bright, yeah, you know I'm like a supernova. Light up the night like a lightning strike, yeah. Watch me face my fear, my worries disappear.
Flux.